Good day everyone. Today we'll show you a demonstration on how we can get the LED E27 bulb a bit brighter than normal. Today we'll be using the Sylvania Ultra LED, which is the 60 watt equivalent, which only use 10 watts. So we're gonna get straight into it and show you exactly how we come about this. So this is the bulb that we will use, and this is our meter which will show you the reading. So we're gonna go ahead and screw in the bulb and show you the original reading. Alright. This is the reading that we're getting from the light without we doing anything at all to it. So we're gonna go straight into disassembling the light to show you how we'll get it a bit brighter. Just a second. We're going to remove this top piece and remove the other inner section, which will help get more from the light. So as you can see, this helps to spread the light at a 360 degrees. So when we remove it, it will expose the LED. So we're gonna put back the cover on it, and then we're going to screw it in. Now we'll check back the reading. So we're going to check on the reading to see how much. 229. So basically I almost get 2 times the amount with this section in. Please remember, the warranty would be void if you disassemble the lights within the time of warranty. So this is just or a little experiment to show you that even with this light you can get a lot more. And at the end we'll post 2 videos where you can see how much you will be saving in terms of how much wattage you'll be saving on each LED comparing to a halogen bulb. And in Jamaica we'll show you how much thousands you can save on one LED bulb per year. So thank you for joining in, and I hope you like the video. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends also.